In this video, let me show you how to fix the Shopee Pay transaction failed. Now, there are multiple reasons on why this may happen. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you have enough balance so that you would be able to transfer the payment. So make sure that this is not the case first of all. But however, if this is not the case as well, you also need to verify your account so that you would be able to increase your transaction limit. So if you have not yet verified your account, this could also be the reason that you will not be able to send a higher amount of transfer. Now, if multiple transactions are getting rejected, this could likely be happening due to app bugs or app glitches. So in this situation, what you simply need to do is reinstall the application of Shopee onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Apart from this, also make sure that your date and time within your phone is set. If it is not set to a correct date or not set to automatic, this also may be causing this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.